Hey guys, it's Ricky here with DashCam Documentaries, and today I'm actually driving to a drive-up COVID vaccine site where I'll be getting the vaccine. So it's going to be interesting. I've never been to a drive-through vaccine before, so we're going to see how they work, and we're gonna see how it is to actually take the vaccine, and I'll be going through that with you. And as always, you're welcome to join me, so just get in the car and buckle up. Okay, now here we are driving up to the vaccine site. We are gonna make a left here to get to the site. You can see signs along the way indicating which way to go. Most of these sites that provide the COVID vaccine are usually very well marked, as they know that people are going to be coming here who may have never been in the area. And this site here is at Cal State Northridge, which is, of course, in Northridge, California, part of the Cal State system out here, which is several schools up and down the coast. Now we're gonna make a left, and let's see here. I can see several signs. Now I'm gonna be in Megapod 3. So I guess these are Megapods. I have an appointment today, and here the sign to my left says appointment only. So I'm guessing there's gonna be some type of welcome area that tells me where to go. You can see normally this place would be bustling with students, but because of the COVID outbreak, there's actually no students here. The school is closed. Now this gentleman here is signaling me to come in. So let's make a turn here and see what this lady is saying. Hi.
Hello, all the way straight.
Oh, thanks. Okay, she told me to go all the way straight, so I should probably put on my mask to deal with these people. I'm sure they would appreciate that. So I'll be a little bit nuzzled going forward here, and I'm heading down to Megapod 3. Now this vaccine that I'll be getting is the Pfizer vaccine. It was produced by a joint effort between Pfizer and BioNTech. Now these vaccines were formed in record time, and most vaccines take 5 years to create. This one took just a few months. Now I'm coming up here. Let's see what kind of identification they need.
Good morning. Do you have
Hi.
an appointment?
Yes.
Can I see your confirmation and your ID, please?
Yeah. I have a license too.
That's fine. Have you had any recent COVID symptoms?
No.
All right, you're gonna go straight ahead.
Thank you. Okay, here we are. Now you can see here we're just heading along with cones directing us. Now I was stating earlier that these vaccines were produced in record time. Even the World Health Organization thought it's going to take at least 18 months, but it's been much quicker than that. How quick they developed this one. Now, and this Pfizer vaccine, the one I'll be getting, it actually has to be kept in 2 to 8 degrees temperature. So it's literally a freezing substrate. So after I get this vaccine today, I'll literally have ice in my veins. All right, so let's continue on. I can see several different lanes. I have no idea which lane I would go in. Do I just pick a lane, or do I... Let's see, a guy here seems to be telling me to go in, so I guess I'll head in here. And you can see on the right, it looks like tubes telling me to stop, go, stop. Let's see a little more. Okay. Oh, yeah.
And I just need your driver's license. And have you ever had a severe anaphylactic reaction to a vaccine or injectable medication?
No.
Have you had a vaccine in the last 2 weeks?
No.
Perfect. On the back is the date of your second vaccination, February 26th, same place, same time, okay?
Okay.
Today I'm giving you the Pfizer vaccine. Do you consent for me to give it to you?
Sure.
1, 2, 3. And we're going to observe you for about 15 minutes. When they give you the signal, we'll have you pull all the way down to the end. If there's any concerns, just put your hand out the window. There's physicians and nurses down there, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll see you back in 3 weeks.
Thank you. Okay, so I have now received the first dose of the vaccine. Basically, it was just a slight pinch. There really isn't any pain as far as the shot going in. Now that it's been a few minutes, there's just a very slight pain in my shoulder area. I got it on the left shoulder. I would call it on a scale of 1 through 10, maybe a 1. So not too bad. I did have to sit here for 15 minutes and wait to see if I have any adverse side effects. And okay, we have waited our requisite 15 minutes, and since I'm still feeling fine, they did come up to the window and ask me. And since I was feeling fine, I was given the green light to leave. Now, the slight pain in my shoulder has pretty much subsided, and I'm feeling pretty good. So, overall, I would say it's quite an easy and painless experience. And they did book me an appointment in 3 weeks to get my second shot of the Pfizer vaccine, and I'll be coming back to this same location. So I wanted to just thank you guys for joining me on this adventure, I guess you can say, in getting the COVID vaccine. If you have any questions regarding how the overall experience went, or if I had any side effects so far, or anything like that, please leave me a comment below. Otherwise, you can always like the video, and also please subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next adventure.